how we can create headline title that is center across selections. In Excel we have at least two solutions. We can select cells and then on Home tab use Merge and Center command. Excel will merge cells in one cell and center alignment, so our text will be centered. But this solution has some small problems because now we have one cell instead of many cells, and when we try to select just one column and we go a bit too far to the top, we will select more columns, but by just going down again we will select just one column. So it's a really small problem, but sometimes we want to move our data a bit to the right, let's say a bit to the right or left, and when we try copy we can't even select B1 cell, so it's a bit problematic. But we could drag our selection to the side, but we can do that to a merge cells, so we cannot move merge cells just a bit to the right, to the side. If we move our merge cells enough, it won't be a problem. The problem was because we like to move merge cell on the merge cell. So some problems we can live with them, but because of those problems I want to show you one more solution. So to merge cells, just click this command, and to unmerge cells, just click this command again. And when we have select range of cell, we can use Ctrl+1 shortcut to go to format cells options. We want alignment tab, and here we have horizontal alignment. We want to choose center across selection option and press OK. And we have selected all cells, and we have merge. The cells aren't merged, so when we try to select one column we can, and it's important that the value is now only in A1 cell. In B1, C1, D1 there's nothing. It just center across selection because all those cells have the same options. So let's mark the black and white font, make a font a bit bigger. We can even add bold, and we can move our data a bit to the side if we want to. And it's important when we have cells with center across selection option select, if we add some more text to our cells, the center option will work only on those cells that aren't filled.